Hey guys, this is a Wolf Pup 16B HSBL, which stands for Black Label. This is not my first Wolf Pup, it's actually the third one. So I know I can't say everything, but a lot of issues going on with those ones. So and there's a series of videos you can check, like my other videos for other improvement. But in this video, I want to show you the one improvement you want to do right away if you purchase or if you own one and you never did check that one. So let's go and check. So I'm talking about, there is a frame connects to the cabin with those nut bolts, and we have, in this case, we have 12 altogether, 6 on each side, and I already got those in Home Depot. So the 8, 16 zinc lock nuts. So what I'm gonna be doing, so I will, it's already, I drove like 1,000 miles on that, and it's already keep losing. So what I'm gonna be doing is I will tighten those existing bolts and we'll put the new lock bolts on top of those. So follow me. All right, so one is done, and we go all over one by one, and we'll put those ones in. So I save a little bit on those one because it's a zinc, and you can get the other ones like stainless, but that's gonna be a little bit cheaper. So I decided to save on that. If you want to go with the other ones, you just go. So I have 11 more to go. Let's go, guys. And that's how it's gonna be looking like after I put the second bolt on. So it's 12 in total all the way around. And if you already did not do that, then eventually you're gonna lose all your bolts, like not all, but some of your bolts, nuts, some of your nuts, and that's it. That's as simple as that. So that's cost me about like less than $5 and less than 10 minutes to install. But then now I know it's secure in place. I would never lose it again. All right, check my other videos on my channel and like it if put thumb up if you like my video, if you found it useful. Otherwise, see you on the next one.